In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Loop page. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply removing pages that are no longer needed, learning how to delete a loop page efficiently is a handy skill to have. Let's dive right into the process, and soon you'll be managing your loop workspace effortlessly. First things first, the journey begins by opening the loop workspace. This is the space where all your collaborative work comes to life, so it's crucial to be certain that you're in the correct workspace where the page you wish to delete is located. This will ensure that you're not accidentally deleting something else. Navigate through your list of workspaces to locate the one containing the page you no longer need. Once you've double checked and confirmed you're in the right workspace, you're ready for the next step. Now that you're in the correct workspace, the task is to find the specific loop page that you want to remove. It's a good idea to double check the page content, ensuring that it's indeed the one you intend to delete. This can prevent any unintended loss of valuable information. Take a moment to scan through the page or pages to ensure you have selected the correct one. Once you're certain, proceed to the next step with confidence. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the loop page. You'll notice there are three dots, often referred to as the More options, which provide a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. Click these three dots. This is a common interface element and serves as a gateway to several functions related to managing your page and workspace. From arranging your tasks to deleting a page, these options are there to give you control over your workspace. Once you've clicked on those three dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these options, locate and select Delete. Clicking this will prompt confirmation of your decision to permanently remove the page from your workspace. Before you make this choice, remember that this action cannot be undone, so it's worth taking one last glance to ensure that this page is truly no longer needed. And there you have it, a simple and direct way to declutter your Microsoft Loop workspace by deleting unnecessary pages. Remember, it's always a good practice to verify which pages and workspaces you're working in to prevent any accidental deletions of essential content. Now you can efficiently manage your workspaces with peace of mind, knowing you have full control over the content. I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Microsoft Loop experience. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.